everyone. How can you sleep at a time like this unless the dreamer is the real you? Listen to your voice, the one that tells you to taste past the tip of your tongue. Leap in the net will appear. I don't wanna wait before the dream is over. I'm gonna make it mine. Yes, I know it. I'm gonna make it mine. Yes, I'll make it all mine. I keep my life on a heavy rotation, requesting that it's lifting you up, up, up and away, and over to a table at the Gratitude Cafe. And I am finally there, and all the angels, they'll be singing ah la la la, ah la la la, ah la 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 la. Yes. Well, I don't wanna break before the tour is over. I'm gonna make it mine. Yes, I'm alone and I'm gonna make it mine. Yes, I'll make it all mine. Timing's everything, and this time there's plenty. I am balancing, careful and steady, reveling in energy that everyone's emitting. Well, I don't wanna wait no more. Oh, I wanna celebrate the whole world. I'm gonna make it mine. Oh, yes, I'm following your joy. I'm gonna make it mine because I am open. I'm gonna make it mine. That's why I will show it. I'm gonna make it all mine. Gonna make it mine. Oh, mine. Yes, I'll make it all mine. I got the dynamo of volition, the pole position, automatic transmission with low emissions. I'm a brand new addition to the old edition with the love unconditional. And I'm a drama abolitionist, damn no opposition to my proposition. Half of a man, half magician, half a politician, holding the mic like ammunition. And my vision is as simple as life. Ain't no reason we should be in a fight, no demolition. Get the vote, get to see what you like. Procreation, compositions already written by themselves. Heck, it's for the people not believing in God. Shh. Good job, get 'em up way high, gimme that high five. Good time, get 'em way down low, gimme that low dough. Good God, bring 'em back again, gimme that high 10. You're the best definition of good intention. I do not answer the call if I do not know who is calling. I guess the whole point of it all is that we never know really. I'm trying to keep with the Joneses while waiting for guns and the roses to finish what we all suppose is gonna be the shit we'll soon make. Oh, fist lock, bumping and wrist lock, twisting up a Rizzler. Kid Icarus on the transistor, Nintendo by giving me the blister. I bend over, take it in a kisser. My best friends are hitting on my sister, try to tell them that they still a wish her, cause she already got herself a Mr. And besides that, screws don't wanna diss her. I didn't I say good job, get 'em up way high, gimme that high five. Good time, get 'em way down low, gimme that low dough. Good God, bring 'em back again, gimme that high 10. You're the best definition of good versus evil. I do not keep up with statistics, I do not sleep without a mistress. I do not eat unless it's fixed with some kind of sweet like a licorice. My home is deep inside the mystics, I'm known to keep digging on existence. I'm holding in the heat like a fish stick, my phone it beeps because I missed it. I do not answer the